The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. AI can now generate content that writes, creates, and codes, but there's something it will never do. Truly understand human emotions. Our emotional intelligence gives us an irreplaceable advantage that will become even more valuable in the years to come. It's the key to building trust, fostering collaboration, and navigating the complexities of a world increasingly driven by technology. Think about a time when you experienced exceptional customer service. Chances are it wasn't just about the efficient resolution of your problem, it was about how the person on the other end made you feel. Emotional intelligence creates tremendous value in customer service. A human representative hears the tension in a caller's voice and responds with empathy, building loyalty through emotional connection. In a world reliant on chatbots, the ability to connect with customers on a human level will be a powerful differentiator. Imagine you're facing a complex legal issue. You need more than just a lawyer who can recite legal statutes. You need someone who understands the nuances of your situation. Contextual understanding powers legal interpretation. A lawyer might recognize that a client's hesitation about certain terms reflects unstated business concerns. It's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding the often unspoken factors that influence a situation. In a world awash in data, the ability to extract meaning from complexity and make sound judgments based on context will be invaluable. Chapter 3. The importance of ethical reasoning. Picture a doctor faced with a heart-wrenching decision about a patient's end-of-life care. Ethical reasoning serves as the moral compass in healthcare decisions. A physician considers not only clinical outcomes, but also the patient's expressed values about quality versus length of life. It's about navigating the gray areas and making tough calls when the rules are unclear. In a world grappling with the ethical implications of AI, your ability to think critically and make sound moral judgments will set you apart. Chapter 4. Unleashing your creative problem-solving genius. Think about the last time you faced a seemingly insurmountable problem. Creative problem-solving enables designers to make unexpected connections. An industrial designer might draw inspiration from natural structures like beehives to create stronger, lighter products. It's about approaching challenges with a fresh perspective and finding innovative solutions that others might miss. In a world hungry for originality and innovation, your ability to think differently will be your greatest asset. Chapter 5. The enduring power of human leadership. Imagine a workplace where a leader senses a drop in team morale. Instead of ignoring it, they take the time to have individual conversations, listen to concerns, and work collaboratively to find solutions. Leadership depends on authentic human connection. A team leader noticing an employee's diminished engagement might have a personal conversation that uncovers underlying concerns. This genuine interaction builds the trust necessary for organizational success. In a world that's becoming increasingly automated, the human touch in leadership will be more essential than ever. Outro your irreplaceable human advantage. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, the question is not whether machines will replace us, but how we will choose to define our place in this new world. 5 capabilities set you apart: emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, creative problem-solving, contextual understanding, and adaptive collaboration. Choose one that resonated most and commit to developing it today. In a world of increasing automation, your humanity isn't just what makes you different, it's what makes you irreplaceable.